Hey guys, welcome back. So I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to be doing a giveaway. I reached 80K and I wanted to do a giveaway to show my appreciation. I have 3 bins overflowing with Dollar Tree goodies. I don't know what's in these bins, so I need to go ahead and refresh my memory, see what I need, and pick the items that I want to give away to one lucky winner. So if you want to enter this giveaway, just comment Glam what? Just comment Glam below in the comments. That lets me know you're trying to enter. And you also have to be following me on Instagram because I'm gonna announce the winner in my stories. So yeah, you have to follow me on Instagram, guys. You can search me by entering Keisha J or Glam Everything. You know I'm still gonna pop up, but yeah, you have to follow me on Instagram. And of course you have to be subscribed to this channel. So yeah, just be a subscriber. Follow me on Instagram and comment Glam below. Leave me your Instagram name so I can easily find you if you're the winner. Alright, let's go through these bins. Let's do some decluttering and see what Dollar Tree goodies I'll be giving away. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so here are my bins full of Dollar Tree stuff. So I'm gonna go through everything and see what what I'm gonna keep and show you the items I'm going to be adding in my giveaway box. So, okay, I want to start off with, let me move this out of the way, because I said I was going to do a review on these products here, the shampoo and conditioner from Bolero, and I did try them out. I don't like them at all. Definitely doesn't make your hair feel moisturized, and that's just my opinion. So yeah, I don't really too much care for these products and this cleaner here. So I have the glass cleaner, and this is the multi-surface cleaner. I need to find the glass cleaner, but you know, the label is exactly the same. One just says multi-surface cleaner and the other one is like a glass cleaner. But when I went to look at the ingredients, it's exactly the same. So I'm just thinking, you know, what's the difference? The ingredients are exactly the same. They just decided to put multi-surface cleaner on one and glass cleaner on the other so you can buy both, but it's exactly the same. And it sucks. So yeah, I won't be buying this one again. It's not even worth $1. So yeah, that's what I have to say about these items. So I'm not even going to be giving them away, like the shampoo and conditioner, you know, because I did use it. So I'm not going to give those away, but I'm just going to go through everything else. So we have some lipstick. I don't really wear lipstick, guys. I'm more of a lip gloss kind of girl, but I purchased a ton of like lipstick from Dollar Tree, and I was just like testing out the colors, and I can't do it. I cannot do it. So yeah, I'm gonna give this away. It's a really pretty color. It doesn't look too good on me. And then I have this eyeshadow. I have 2 of these, so I'm just gonna give away this one. And then I have this one. I do want to play around with this one, the lip liner, because I can do lip liner with some gloss, but I don't even wear lip liner too much. But I did buy this because I wanted to play around with it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one because I do want to try that out. And then I have these stiletto nails. I'm going to be giving away a lot of nails as you can see, but this is the stiletto style they sell at Dollar Tree, and I'm not too crazy about it. Like, some of the designs are really pretty, but I don't like long stiletto nails. Like, I like the medium ones. All right, so I have this cocoa and shea butter treatment mask. I do like this, so I am going to keep this because I do like it. I've used it before and I didn't have any issues with it, so I'm gonna use it again. And then I have this here. This is for your camera, for your phone. It's supposed to give like this special effect to your pictures or videos. And here's another one. So this is the before, this is what it's gonna do after. But yeah, I don't really play around with this stuff on my lens. I don't need them, so you know, someone else can play around with them. This is, oh, I think I have more than one of or okay, no, I don't have more than one. So I have the sugar foot scrubber. I just used one yesterday. I gave myself a pedicure, so this is an extra one. I guess I can go ahead and give it away. Some of this stuff I did buy for a giveaway anyways, so it's not like I'm just giving you guys the stuff that, you know, I don't like. A lot of this stuff I have because I wanted to do a giveaway, but I ended up just dumping everything in these bins. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this one away. It's really good, guys. I really love this sugar foot scrubber. It works really well, but I have one already. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that one. And okay, so we have some face mask in here. I purchased these for the giveaway. I purchased some different kind. Some peel off mask. This Yes 2. I'm gonna give these away. I remember buying the face mask for the giveaway. Maybe I could keep one just to try it out. Let's see. Maybe I'll just keep this one because I do believe I have another like black. Do I have another black one? I don't think so. Okay, you know what? I guess I'll just give you guys this one because I really do love the charcoal face mask. But I'll give it away. And anti-aging, brightening, lifting. I guess I'll keep this one. Alright, so I have these slippers. I purchased these because I wanted to do like a spa day. I wanted to do like a Dollar Tree spa day video, but I never got around to doing it. So that's why I have like, you know, a lot of like spa stuff in here with the foot scrubs and stuff like that. But I guess I'll just go ahead and do it in this video. Just give it away. And then I have the body oil, so this can be like a part of the spa items from Bolero. Some people like the body oils, some don't. I mean, they're okay, but I'm not crazy about them. I don't really use all of these oils. So I'm gonna give it away. The sleep mask. I think I have a no, maybe not. I thought I had more than one. But I guess this can be included in like all of the spa items. All right, then I have these organizers. Why did I buy these? Oh, I got them because I wanted to keep my like earrings organized when I'm traveling. That's why I purchased them. And I do believe I got some for my daughter. Yeah, because she needs something for her little toys. She has so many of these like tiny pieces for her like doll toys and her little kitchen, little small food and stuff like that. She definitely needs something to organize it. So yeah, this is going to be great for her. Oh, and then I have this. I really like this facial scrubber. I think it works pretty well. So if you see that at Dollar Tree, oh, look at this. I have two more. Okay, I guess I can give one away. I'll give that one away. And I'll just keep this because I really like using them. And then I have this organizer here. I got this to keep like my vitamins and stuff organized. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this because I do need to start back like organizing my vitamins and stuff. And this is some eye glitter. I was actually using this. I don't know why it's in the bin. I don't even know if I liked it, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. I mean, it's not even in the package, so I'm not gonna give it away because I was like playing around with it, so I'm gonna hold on to that. All right, and we have one bin down, 2 more to go. So let's see what's in this next one. All right, first thing is this pedicure kit. I purchased like 2 and I did use one, so I'm going to give this one away. It's okay. It's not like the best pedicure kit, but it's not too bad. I don't know. I'll just give this one away. And my wipes. Now I use my wipes. All of my wipes that I get from Dollar Tree, I actually use them, and I like to buy a lot so that I don't like run out. But I'm going to see how many I have because I do want to give you guys some of these Bolero products because I really do like some of them, like the I love the facial wipes. I love the body wash, and we'll see what else is in here because like I said, I did buy a lot of this stuff to give away. Oh, I need to see what's in this bag. We'll go through that. But oh, some more nails that I'm going to be giving away. Going to be giving away a ton of nails, guys. So if you like the Dollar Tree nails, you're going to be getting a lot. But these are just some of the designs I wasn't too crazy about. Like, I tested them out, and I just didn't like the way they look on my fingers, but they might look really cute on yours. All right, so this is a moisturizing lip mask. I remember using a lip mask from Dollar Tree. I don't know if it was this one, but I remember using one. But I do want to add this to like all of the spa items. Like, I cannot not give you guys a lip mask if I'm gonna give you like a bunch of like spa day type of stuff. And then this is a facial mask from Bolero, so I'll add that to the spa items. Another lip mask, and this has the under eye mask attached, so I'm gonna give one away since I have two. And this is the lotion. So I purchased these items for the giveaway, but yeah, I don't really use the lotion, so I'm gonna give that away. This is a body scrub. I have one upstairs, so I'm gonna give this one away. I have this exfoliating glove. I'm gonna keep this one because I like to use the gloves. I have another one, so I guess I'll give this one away since I have two. Then I have another exfoliating bath sponge. What's this? Oh, a foot mask. I used a foot mask yesterday, but it was from Bolero, I believe. But I have more. I did not know that. So I'm going to give away one because I get really dry skin, like really dry feet. So I definitely need stuff that's going to keep it nice and moisturized. So I'll give away one and, you know, keep those. Got this for a giveaway. So all of these bath soaps I purchased for a giveaway. I used to buy this stuff and keep it in my guest bathroom, but we don't really have guests too often to like need these soaps. I mean, I could still use them as decor, you know, in my guest bathroom, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll give these away because, like I said, we don't really have too many guests coming over, and if so, I can always, you know, pick up some more stuff. They always have those kinds of soaps at Dollar Tree. All right, we have some body cream from Bolero. Do I have body cream over here? No, I guess not. Well, let's add some body cream. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and give away the lavender and that coconut and mango. I'm going to give away those two. All right, so these are the items that that I had in the bag. So I'm going to give away the bands. I'm going to give away this here is the key holder. I like that. So this is the shimmer metallic tattoos. I'm not going to wear this stuff, so I'll give it away. I don't even know why I purchased it. And then I have some mirrors. I really like these. I'm going to keep this one because I did open it already. But I have two more that I'm going to give away. But what I like about this is it has like the stand on the back. So you can get creative with it. You can take the mirror out and replace it with a picture if you want and just like stand it up. Or you can hang it on the wall. You can hang it on the wall. So I'm going to give these away. I completely forgot about this, guys. I actually purchased two sets because I gave one away like a long time ago. And then I was going to put this in my, I believe I was going to put it in the laundry room. But I just never got around to like really decorating the space. I still have yet to really decorate the space the way I want it to look. But you know what? I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to give it away because this is another really great find. All right, so let's look at all of the items for the giveaway. So you have a ton of like beauty products. We have some home decor. I really wanted to give you guys a lot of like, you know, spa day type of items because I had a lot of that. We have a ton of nails, so you can just play around with different designs. But yeah, some makeup stuff. But a lot of stuff. So yeah, these are going to be all of the items for the giveaway, guys. So I already mentioned, you know, the rules and how to enter. Just go back to the beginning of the video if you forgot. But yeah, this is everything I'm going to be giving away, and these are all of the items I'm going to keep. Not much, but I do know I'm going to be actually using these items. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I will announce the winner. The date is gonna be on the screen, so yeah, that's when I'll announce the winner on Instagram. So remember that. I'll just you know, tag you in the post when I announce the winner. All right, so I have everything packaged up, but I did have to take out some items, guys, because I noticed not all of the products were sealed, and I didn't want to give you something that I probably used. So I did have to take out some stuff, not a lot. And as far as the nails, I put in the designs that I had like 2 packs of, because sometimes if you just like get 1 pack, you can't fit all of the nails. So you might have to use 2 packs. So yeah, I put in all of the designs with 2 packs. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I think it's long enough. I had to take out some of the clips of me like decluttering the bins. But yeah, overall, I think this is gonna be a really great giveaway, and I hope you like it as well. So good luck for all of you guys that enter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.